Welcome back to Books for Success. Today, we will delve into a book that guides us on a journey towards self-acceptance and healing, Radical Acceptance, by Tara Brach. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more resources and information. In Radical Acceptance, clinical psychologist and meditation teacher Tara Brach shares her insights on how to free ourselves from the grip of self-criticism, fear, and feelings of unworthiness. Brach combines teachings from Buddhism with her own experiences in psychotherapy and meditation. She explains that our suffering mainly comes from our own self-judgments and the isolation that this brings. She emphasizes the importance of acknowledging our pain, embracing it, and then moving beyond it. 1. The trance of unworthiness. Many of us live in a trance of unworthiness, a deeply ingrained pattern of self-criticism and self-rejection. This trance is often caused by past traumas or the societal pressures we face. Practical advice: practice self-compassion by being kind and gentle to yourself. When you notice self-critical thoughts, acknowledge them, and then consciously choose to treat yourself with kindness and understanding. 2. The path of radical acceptance. Radical acceptance is the practice of accepting ourselves and our experiences exactly as they are. This doesn't mean we condone negative behavior, but we acknowledge it without self-judgment. Practical advice: practice mindfulness to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. When you notice negative thoughts, acknowledge them without judgment and then let them go. 3. Healing from the inside out. Healing begins when we stop running from our pain and instead turn towards it with an open heart. This process involves acknowledging our pain, embracing it, and then moving beyond it. Practical advice: practice self-compassion by being kind and gentle to yourself. When you notice self-critical thoughts, acknowledge them, and then consciously choose to treat yourself with kindness and understanding. In conclusion, radical acceptance teaches us that by acknowledging our pain, embracing it, and then moving beyond it, we can free ourselves from the trance of unworthiness and live a more fulfilled life. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Books for Success. If you found this summary helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more book summaries and insights. Thanks for watching.